Here's a planning briefing for Wednesday, January 5th. The atmospheric river on Thursday is going to be over north central Idaho into western Montana, hence the heavy precip rates that we're expecting. Weather matrix, we're looking at high impact weather across western Montana and moderate across north central Idaho with chance of freezing rain in those areas. First thing we have to talk about is the transition from snow to mixed precipitation. We're expecting in the morning that across north central Idaho this will happen first, and then in the Bitterroot Valley by Thursday afternoon, and then progressively north into Thursday night into Friday as a warm front moves northward. Temperatures on Friday will get into the 30s for many places across west central Montana and north central Idaho, all the way up towards Kalispell. Here's a probability of snow. As you go forward in time, the chance for snow Thursday morning decreases across north central Idaho. Chance for snow decreases in the southern Bitterroot by early afternoon on Thursday as the warmer air starts to push northward. And the timing of this is going to be difficult for the Missoula Valley, but it seems like sometime Thursday evening, the snow may change to sleet or freezing rain along the I-90 corridor, including Missoula, and then points northward Thursday night into the Mission Valley Highway 200 corridor. Although the snow may linger in the Potomac, Greeno, Clearwater Junction area longer. Here is a loop of the snow intensity. So the snow intensities are moderate for the most part, and they become heavy in the mountains later tonight, and then heavy across west central Montana Thursday morning into the early afternoon hours. And then across northwest Montana Thursday evening, moderate to potentially up to 1 inch per hour rates, and then moderate rates Thursday night into Friday as the transition from snow to rain occurs. This is the probability of greater than 1 inch per hour snow rates, and the areas that really show it the most with the highest confidence is the mountains of north central Idaho and also across west central Montana, I-90 corridor, Missoula Valley, and points eastward towards Potomac, Greeno. That is where the snow is going to be the heaviest. And then further north of time, which we don't have here, there could be some heavy rates to points northward later in the day. Here's our official storm snowfall forecast. And we're looking at a lot of snow, especially in the mountains and also west central to northwest Montana. Looking at the probability of greater than 4 inches across north central Idaho, pretty decent chances across the mountains. As far as greater than 6 inches, we have high confidence for Elk River, headquarters, Lolo Pass, Lochsa Pass. Greater than 8 inches, high confidence for Elk City, headquarters, Lolo Pass, Lochsa Pass. And then high confidence for greater than 10 inches for Lolo Pass through Friday. The winds in the Camas Prairie and Whitebird Grade will kick up a little bit on Thursday. Southwest winds, we have a 50% chance of gusts over 39 miles an hour over Whitebird Grade, which could bring some drifting issues. The winds will be much stronger on Friday, but the temperatures will be a lot milder. But we are expecting some strong winds, possibly over 50 to 60 mile an hour over Whitebird Grade into the Camas Prairie. Here are some point forecasts: Upper Lochsa, Orofino, Pierce, Grangeville, Whitebird Hill, Riggins, Elk City, Lochsa Pass, Salmon, Williams Creek Summit, Gilmore Summit. Looking at the probabilities, greater than 2 inches across the area, pretty high probability for snowfall. Looking at greater than 4 inches probability, pretty high except for maybe the Eureka area, Deer Lodge, Butte, Salmon, and points south, and the lower elevations of north central Idaho. So let's look at a little closer at west central Montana. High confidence, greater than 4 inches, Lookout Pass, Seeley Lake, Hamilton, Bitterroot Valley to Missoula Valley, Highway 200 corridor, Highway 28, Stevensville, 75% chance Phillipsburg, It ranges from 20 to 70% in the southern Mission Valley. Probability greater than 6 inches. High confidence for Lookout Pass, Baker's Grade, which is on Highway 28 between Plains and Hot Springs. East of Missoula to Bearmouth, I-90, Clearwater Junction, 200, Evero Hill, St. Regis, west of Plains. Also high confidence for the Jet area, northwest of Polson, Alberton. And then we have lesser confidence, Polson, Stevensville, Missoula, and into the Bitterroot Valley. And like I said before, this Missoula to the Mission Valley could see a little bit more just if the cold air hangs on a little longer. Probability of 8 inches across west central Montana, high confidence, Lookout Pass, west of St. Regis, Baker's Grade, Paradise, Evero Hill. Greeno Hill has 64% chance, so they're not out of the woods yet. And then a lot of the other areas are a lot lower. Still showing 50% chance in Clinton, Jet, north of Hot Springs. So those areas could potentially see a little bit more. Here are some point forecasts. Hamilton, Greeno Hill, MacDonald Pass, Ninemile, Evero Hill, St. Ignatius, Polson, Baker's Grade, Lookout Pass. So looking at northwest Montana, chance for greater than 4 inches, high probability most places, except for the Eureka area in the southeast Mission Valley. Greater than 6 inches. We have high confidence for Marion Pass to Essex, south of Libby to Marion, Trout Creek to Noxon, Bull Lake, Swan Lake to Ferndale, Yak, Hungry Horse, Troy. And then Libby and the areas west of Kalispell could see greater than 6 inches. Also, Nirada to Elmo on 28, that they could also see greater than 6 inches. The Olney area is not out of the woods, but 67% chance, 65 in Columbia Falls. And then the Glacier Park region, the probabilities start to lower, but they're not out of the woods yet. The lower probabilities are from like Hot Springs, Polbridge, Condon, Eureka, and the southern Mission Valley. Probability of 8 inches, we have high confidence, Noxon, Trout Creek, Bull Lake, Devil's Creek to Essex. And there's a chance at Troy, Marion Pass, Swan Lake to Ferndale, Yak, and Libby. But their probabilities are a lot lower. As far as Kalispell, it's a lot lower on the east side of the valley. And then we're looking at, on the west side, 47% chance of greater than 8 inches. Here's some point forecasts. Kalispell, Big Fork, Marion, Essex, Olney, Happy Zen, Libby, Eureka. So southwest winds develop across southwest Montana on Thursday, and we're seeing high confidence for gusts over 25 miles an hour generally over that area. 70% chance of gusts 35 to 45 miles an hour, Georgetown Lake to Anaconda. 55% chance of gusts 35 to 45, MacDonald Pass. And though we're expecting moderating temperatures, there could be some drifting in some of these areas that could cause some issues, like Garrison to MacDonald Pass, Avon North. It's going to be even windier on Friday. We're expecting very strong winds in the mountains, 60 to 70% chance of gusts greater than 39 miles an hour, southwest Montana. High confidence for gusts 40 to 50, MacDonald Pass. Also Marion Pass for the north. Also a decent chance for gusts 40 to 50, Georgetown Lake to west of Anaconda. 6 to 10 day precip outlook, we're looking at below normal. And then the 6 to 10 day temperature, we're looking at near normal to above normal. If you have any questions, give us a call.